Welcome to my channel. T-Post here, Reverend Possibility, time out, with your Sunday sermon, your Sunday inspiration about imagination and vision, which are your two great superpowers. How about that? With imagination, you have the ability to dream, and with vision, you have the capacity to apply that dream to creation, to creating it as a reality. So they should be used, but not used as a way to escape reality or for the purpose of fantasy. They should be used to create your tomorrow. So use your imagination and vision. Use it for that. And use it and make it even bigger than any problem or obstacle that you feel might be in the way. You can do that. Create a vision of where you want to be, of who you want to be. Make it at least 50% believable so you stay on track. But know that your vision must give you two things. It must give you a feeling of energy. It must energize you. And secondly, it must make you smile. Then it's guaranteed to work. I guarantee it. Embrace where you are. There's no denying what is, but we build on it. And we create a vision for tomorrow. A vision where you're excited about being alive, excited about what you do each day, excited about getting up. It's a vision where you truly care. You truly care about meeting your own needs, about how you feel. You attend to that every day in service to yourself. And in ways that helps everyone. You taking care of you. Not in a selfish way, but in a respectful way. And also, this vision is all about embracing challenges. Yeah. Some of us want to just skip over challenges or throw up our arms, our hands, and say, oh, too much. But you have the capacity to deal with any challenge. So breathe into that vision and hold it in your meditation. It can be as little as a minute each day where you hold that as a reality. Think of it as teleportation or time travel in your mind, where you're arriving for that minute in that new reality and experiencing it as a complete reality, as the truth. And then this is the most important part. You've got to take action. Because a vision without action in this world is just a daydream. And you want it to be more than that. The 4 tools of manifestation are imagination, vision, the power of belief, and action. And you can change your beliefs. They aren't set in stone. You can change your beliefs by changing the truth about who you are, about yourself. And you can take actions necessary to prove it to yourself that this is my truth. So write your new vision. And fall in love with the awareness of all the possibilities that are before you. Redefine your life. That can always be done. And know why you're choosing what you're choosing. The why behind your vision is of the utmost importance. That why, if it's deep enough, if it's bold enough, if it's fulfilling enough, will sustain you through any adversity. You can change your future by changing the way you see it. You can even recreate your past by changing the way you see it. So in your vision meditation, know that it will absolutely happen, and have profound gratitude for it being so. The purpose of life is to create. And the meaning of life is to experience. Maybe it's that simple. You are deserving. You are worthy. You are good enough. And you are lovable. So make friends with being alive and have fun with it. You came here to deal with life. It's your hero's journey, and you are up to it. This has been a Sunday sermon by Reverend Possibility. Please like, please subscribe. Make it your spiritual duty for today. Much love, appreciation,